We've had rain, and we've got more on the way. Let's show you Doppler radar right now. The east side of town has really gotten hit hard with the rain today, and even though it backed off for a while this evening, it's now filling in again. But again, it's mainly on the east side. You can see it from North Portland right around I-5, and then to the east, and then to the south as well. We're starting to get some on the west side of I-5 as well, but there will be more rain for tomorrow morning. So expect wet weather for the morning commute. Probably about 6, 7 a.m. it's really going to begin to set in, and it won't be as heavy as what we got today. The Portland Airport, 81/100ths of an inch. Troutdale, close to an inch. But over in Hillsborough, you're half that amount exactly, actually, compared to what Troutdale got. So interesting distribution of the rainfall here. 42/100ths at Tillamook. They got rain at Astoria, having trouble with the weather station there, so it's not reporting any rain right now. Sunrise at 7:35, and it will be raining, but it's also going to be warmer. Our warmest part of the day is right now, the warmest part of today. It's our warmest temperature of the day so far. Cloudy, a little breezy in the afternoon, but again, the rain should stop early afternoon, so we'll catch a break there. Portland right now, 48 degrees, and that is our high temperature for the day. Made 50 in Aurora. Temperatures have been creeping up as we go down the valley here. 60 down in Brookings earlier in the day. So here's the weather system that's moving in tonight and tomorrow morning. This brings us the rain that I was talking about for the morning commute. But we're going to take the wide view here. Look at this moisture plume all the way to the south and west of Hawaii. So this is a long fetch of deep tropical moisture, otherwise known as an atmospheric river, otherwise known as occasionally a pineapple express if it comes directly from Hawaii, which this one is not. The one coming in tomorrow is fairly weak. Then it breaks up, not much over the weekend. We'll get some rain, but it won't be as heavy as what begins to arrive Monday night and into Tuesday. I think Tuesday is the day where we get hit the hardest. Tuesday and into Wednesday with an atmospheric river that will be possibly strong to even extreme, and that's why we're talking about river flooding in the northwest. It depends on exactly where that atmospheric river, the fire hose of moisture, sets up. But look, if I widen the view out again, this comes from way to the west and south of Hawaii, so it is a deep source of tropical moisture headed our way. There is a scale for atmospheric rivers, kind of like the hurricane scale. This is set up by the Center for Western Weather and Water Extremes down at Scripps in San Diego, and it goes from 0 to 5. Basically, it's the amount of moisture you have and then the duration that it lasts. So the 5 primarily hazardous. When we look at the map for this one, you see the red dots on the northwest Oregon coast for hazardous precipitation here because of the threat of flooding and landslides. And again, the rainfall, pretty impressive. Now through the weekend, okay, about an inch. We can handle that. We can even handle a couple inches up on the mountains. But from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, look at this. We're looking at 5, 6 inches in the valleys. Double-digit rain totals possible up in the Cascades, 7, 8 inches on the coast. So that's why we're concerned about the potential for atmospheric river flooding, landslides, debris flows, and the like next week. It's going to be a warm week and a windy week at times, but the rain is going to be the thing. Our high again, 48 in Portland today. That is our current temperature right now, and the winds are light, but they're going to pick up and get a little bit breezy during the day tomorrow as we climb into the mid to upper 50s. So it will be warm, it'll be wet, and it'll be occasionally windy. The weather impact alert days that we're focusing on right now are Tuesday and Wednesday. That could shift a day or two either way, but right now I think those will be the rainiest days with the biggest impact. So get ready. A lot of water on the way, David.
Warm, windy, and wet. Thanks for the heads up.